Guys, 2017 i8. We just finished it up. So let me show you guys what we done to it. Nothing up here. Anyways, in the back, after this hole, the second hole, we did a muffler delete right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. Connects right into where the converter goes right there. Now you have a lot of space to work. It's nice. But there's the cat right there. Then the pipe is right there. And that's the one I was telling you guys about with the valve. So we leave that one alone. We just weld them, add another hanger on there, and ran a pipe to this one. And that's where the tip hangs out on the bottom, which is crazy. So you don't even see that it has anything on it, which is really cool. But there it is, BMW i8. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. You can't beat how fancy this car looks with the doors open. Look at this thing. It gets attention everywhere it goes. Look at that door open. I love it. There we go. That sounds good. Yes, we got some revs out of it. Good. Yeah. It opened up. Imagine if you put a downpipe on it. Sounds good.
That's
we
nice.
gotta do yours next.
Yeah.
You want sound?
Yeah.
Again? Right at 90. That's perfect. One more? I love it. All right, go ahead and back it up.
I downpiped my car.
Oh, did you? That's why it got louder.
Yeah.
If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue in beautiful Nashville, right off Dickerson Pike. There's the i8. What a beautiful car. They need to bring it back and make it even more stylish. They really outdid themselves on this one. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. BMW i8 with half electric, half gas motor. You ready?
Yeah.
Like it's silent because it's in electric mode. It opened up. Here we go. Oh, it sounds good. Do you approve?
Approve. I love it.
Our model approves,
Yeah.
so I approve. Enjoy, guys.